Hi guys, this is your boy Martin from MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, and today I have for you an installation video about third peg option. So many of you maybe don't know that you can use your frame caps in order, actually I will be talking about this one, in order to have a footrest right over here. And in today's video I'll show you how is the installation, not a big deal, what kind of frame caps you need to have, because obviously these are the aftermarket ones and this is something that you might have on your bike. What are the options of the third peg? Okay, so what style it is and what are the differences between gripper, diamond style or this widow one. And I think that's pretty much it. We'll do it like bam bam bam, and we will go straight to the point. First 500 views, no video it, and now enough of this, let's get started. As for the installation of this third peg option, as I said, you can use your frame and this bottom bolt in order to install your third peg. Now, it doesn't really matter if you are running this stock cap, frame cap, or you have this aftermarket IPS frame caps that we have on our shop, because we have solution for both. Never buy a solution for stock frame caps in case you don't want to run these IPS aftermarket ones. All right, they come, these frame caps, and as well those pegs for these frame caps, they come in two options. We call them, I don't know if I will pronounce it correctly, but they are called Essen cut. And basically it's a black on black run through the mill, so it creates this kind of shiny effect at the end. Today I will be using this option for my third peg because I'm sold out on black on black. In case you will have a stock frame caps, there is only one option. Black on black holder basically goes here. Now what you can then choose, it's like how your third peg will look. And now there are several options that I have on my shop, and of course floorboards, peg insert and extra footrest. That's the category you need to go in a F3 part of the shop. So what are the options? These are called Kuriakin. I don't know, it's just bloody hard name to pronounce, and they look like a spider, especially for, I believe, for chrome, because this third peg option is for all Spyder models, F3, F3S, F3T and F3 Limited. Doesn't matter if you run floorboards or not, they will fit here, and especially those that they have a chrome option. This Kuriakin, you will see it later, it will just look badass. And you can, of course, you can have these in the front and whatever, but that's a different story. Now these are called, this style, it's called diamond. Okay, it's signature thing for IPS, so from La Monster. And this actually, it's the long version. All right, we have this is called gripper, and this is the regular version. Okay, I try to be super clear on my website. We are calling this third peg like extra footrest, and this one, it's 14.5 centimeter long. This is how many inches it is, and this is, I don't know how much, but it's like 2/3 of that one. All right, so now into the installation. All right, installation is super easy. All you need to do is to have hex 8, and you need to undo this bolt. In case you have a stock frame caps there, you never did this before, it will go a little bit harder. You might even hear some crazy noise, you know. It is because BRP is using a lot of Loctite. Now, this is all good. You just remove the bolt. I showed you this installation, by the way, in case you are watching not on YouTube, but on MartinTheVlogger.com, my blog. Every week I'm releasing new videos. And if there is a video related to, let's say, to today's video, like installation of these frame caps, you will see it under one video. So it's very useful to watch actually my vlogs or my videos on my vlog page. And now what you need to do, you will need to replace the longer bolt that comes in the box, and actually we will have, you have this special patent on the frame cap, and this is the other side of the bracket of the holder, and we'll be able to position our footrest any way that we will like. It can go up, wait, let me see, it can go on the side, it can go down. So there are like a lot of different positions. Just put this back in. How tight you want to be with this one? Well, maybe one tip, before you put the bolt in, well, you put the bolt in, make sure that this frame cap or this frame cap, it's all the way tight to the frame itself. Have the finger underneath of it so you have the right position, so your screw will go straight in, and tight it in the way that you know you don't destroy your wrench. You don't need to have any torque, and make sure that your frame is not moving. So once I have that, all I need to have is this extra bolt that it's in the box, and I have then my extra footrest, and or the third pack. The bolt goes in, this one goes in, and you will need hex, I believe it's 10. So just like this, and you're there. Now how it is, and in case you see it moving, it's just, I didn't tighten it super much because I need to do various photos and videos, but most probably I will go one step further because I'm 2 meter tall dude, so 6'5", 6'6", but it's very comfortable. You can have the leg like this, you can move it forward. I can even use it almost like a floorboard. If I will go a little bit further, definitely I can use this as my floorboard. Now, what I would recommend to do, once you find your position, use Loctite and tighten it so that it will stick like crazy in there. Also, maybe one additional thing, many people do ask me like, what is this one? It's a frame protector. Because I'm a tall dude, when I'm braking or when I'm riding, I didn't use third peg. I was using my frame. So that's something that I believe nobody else has in the world. We are the only shop that having that thing, and you can find both things basically under. These are the frame protectors, so in that section, and these you can find in the floorboards, extra pegs or peg inserts. Guys, this was pretty much it. No rocket science, super easy installation. However, one promo, in case you would like to experience Europe on 3 wheels. So not only like I have a shop for all aftermarket on OEM parts, I have tourzone3.com, so the coolest tour and rental agency, Rikers, and now I'm even adding first F3 Spyder, so F3 Limited. Check on that, write me self-guided or guided tours, and many exclusive VIP adventures that we do per year. Now guys, remember, buy yourself third peg or not, it's your call, but always have fun.